Hi there, Trevor here from Double Bill Movies. I have another package, so I thought I'd do another unboxing. Now, I mentioned this yesterday in my video, and then I thought, actually no, the delivery date for what this might be was supposed to be the 29th, but as I said yesterday, which was the 21st, and here it is, it's turned up. So let's get this open and have a good look at it, shall we? Strangely, there's no sort of tear thing on here like you usually get. It's pretty well stuck down. Ah, I was right. So here we have Arrow's 4K of Robocop. Look at that. So there's your spine. Usual stuff on the bottom. And that's the goodies we got inside there. And there's your 4K sticker. So let's get into this, shall we? Let's see what there is. That come off nice and easy. Let's get off this J card. Oh wow, just fell off. Oh, that's a really nice box, that is. So all the specs on the back of the J card, as no doubt you'll read when you get yours. So is the 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray limited edition contents. A 4K restoration of the film from its original camera negative by MGM. Brilliant. Transferred in 2013 and approved by director Paul Verhoeven. That's even better. That's so disc 1 is the director's cut, which I'm not sure if I've seen the director's cut. And then disc 2 is the theatrical cut. Right, won't bore you with all of that. Let's see what. So this is the lovely box, and OCP. Let's get all this out. Yep, definitely one of Arrow's good boxes again. Although maybe slightly more flexible than usual, but still it's going to be protected. So there's your 4K. Now obviously there's no Blu-ray in here, but that doesn't matter because I have it on Blu-ray. I just wanted to get this while it was available. So we have a sticker. We have some lovely art cards. That's a brilliant scene. I love that. That's when things are going wrong. Robocop comes to the rescue. That one there. He's all shiny and showing off his big gun. Olé! Brilliant. Stay there. Right. Anything else in here? Yep. Just the 2 discs. Oh, it's quite nice artwork on there. So, director's cut and theatrical cut. get it up the right way, shall we? Because it goes that way. So, any reversible art? Yeah, we got some reversible art. That's cool. That's the original one. So I'm going to swap that back in there like that. Oh, come on, get in. So now the box set looks a little bit different. Poster. Let's have a look at this, shall we? See if I can get it all in screen. Very nice. Yeah, I like that one. And then on the back is the new commissioned artwork. There we go. So that's your poster, and then, wow, these books get bigger and bigger. Brilliant. Gonna be a lot of reading in there. Yeah. I'm sure if Keith from Euphoria Pictures gets this, he'll do a much better unboxing than me. Or even Bumper from Bumper's Movies. He does very good unboxings too. Not really my thing, but I think I got mine slightly earlier than other people. I could be wrong. So I thought I'd get this video up here first. So yeah, basically just a little short one. There's your unboxing of the Arrow 4K Robocop, and hope you like that. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again in the next proper video. Gonna do a double bill movies next. Take it easy.